I wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the